Imagine a pair of small bean-shaped organs working tirelessly, purifying your blood every single day. Your kidneys are just that, silent heroes. These little powerhouses filter waste and excess fluids from your body, regulate blood pressure, and even produce red blood cells. Neglecting kidney health can have serious repercussions, from kidney stones to chronic kidney disease. But fear not, maintaining their health is easier than you might think. To keep these vital organs in top shape, certain foods can help cleanse your kidneys. Ready for the countdown? Number 10 on our list is the simplest and most crucial: water. This transparent, tasteless, and odorless liquid is a powerhouse when it comes to maintaining kidney health. Acting as a natural detoxifier, water assists in flushing out toxins from our bodies. It aids in the removal of waste products from the blood, ensuring smooth functioning of the kidneys. Now you might wonder, how much water should one drink daily? The answer varies depending on individual needs and lifestyle factors. However, a general rule of thumb is to consume at least 8 to 10 glasses of water a day. This keeps you hydrated and helps your kidneys do their job effectively. Remember, every sip counts. Make it a habit to start your day with a glass of water and keep sipping throughout the day. Don't wait until you're thirsty to drink. So, keep that water bottle handy and hydrate for health. Coming in at number 9, we have the sweet and tart powerhouses, berries. Small but mighty, these colorful fruits are loaded with antioxidants, fighting off harmful free radicals in your body. Berries such as blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, and cranberries are particularly known for their kidney cleansing properties. Let's delve a bit deeper. Blueberries and strawberries are rich in natural compounds called anthocyanins. These powerful antioxidants reduce inflammation and help to protect your kidneys from damage. Raspberries, on the other hand, are packed with ellagic acid, which helps to neutralize toxins in your kidneys. And let's not forget cranberries. They lower the risk of urinary tract infections, a common kidney problem. Berries are not just delicious, they're an easy addition to your diet. Blend them in a smoothie, sprinkle them atop your morning oatmeal, or simply enjoy them as a fresh, juicy snack. Remember, a handful of berries a day keeps the kidney doctor away. An apple a day doesn't just keep the doctor away, it's number 8 on our kidney cleanse list. Apples, the humble fruit that's as versatile as it is nutritious. These juicy treats are packed full of fiber, a substance that aids in kidney function by reducing inflammation and eliminating toxins. But it's not just the fiber that makes apples a boon for your kidneys. Apples also boast a wealth of anti-inflammatory properties. These properties, found in the skin of the apple, work to reduce inflammation in your kidneys, helping them to function more efficiently. And let's not forget the high water content in apples, which plays a crucial role in flushing out toxins from your kidneys. But the benefits of apples extend beyond just kidney health. They also contribute to heart health, aid in digestion, and can even help control weight. So when you reach for a snack, make it an apple. At number 7, we have the nutrient-dense leafy greens. When we say leafy greens, think of spinach, kale, and chard, just to name a few. These verdant veggies are not only pleasing to the eye, they are also jam-packed with vitamins and minerals that your kidneys will thank you for. For instance, leafy greens are high in vitamin K, which is known to help prevent kidney stones. They are also a great source of magnesium, a mineral that assists in preventing waste products from crystallizing in the kidneys. Now, let's talk about their high fiber content. Fiber aids in digestion, ensuring that toxins are efficiently flushed out of your system. And did you know that these greens are low in potassium and phosphorus? That's right. This makes them an excellent choice for those with kidney problems, as these nutrients need to be limited. So, go green for healthier kidneys. Sweet potatoes, delicious and nutritious, hold the 6th spot on our list. This humble root vegetable packs a punch when it comes to nutrition. Not only are they a great source of fiber which aids in digestion, but they're also high in an array of vitamins and minerals. One of these is vitamin A, vital for maintaining kidney health, as it helps to reduce inflammation and protect against kidney disease. But that's not all. Sweet potatoes are also rich in potassium. This mineral is crucial in balancing the level of sodium in our bodies and helps the kidneys function properly. And let's not forget, they're a fantastic source of antioxidants, which fight off harmful free radicals, keeping our kidneys healthy and happy. So, whether you prefer them baked, boiled, or mashed, incorporating sweet potatoes into your diet can certainly prove beneficial for your kidneys. Next time you're craving something sweet, go for a sweet potato. Swimming into the 5th spot on our list, we have fish. Now you might be thinking, fish? Really? How can that help my kidneys? Well, let me tell you, fish is a powerhouse when it comes to kidney health. Not only is fish a high-quality protein source, which is easier on your kidneys than other proteins, but it's also loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. These omega-3 acids have been shown to decrease inflammation and may help reduce the risk of chronic kidney disease. But that's not all. Fish is also a great source of vitamin D, which is vital for healthy kidneys. It helps regulate kidney function and can even prevent kidney disease. So next time you're at the grocery store, consider picking up some salmon, mackerel, or sardines. Your kidneys will thank you. Remember, 2 servings of fish a week could do wonders for your kidneys. Squashing in at number 4 are the tangy and juicy citrus fruits. Bursting with flavor and packed with goodness, these fruits are a delight for your taste buds and a blessing for your kidneys. Citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, grapefruits, and limes are well known for their high vitamin C content. But did you know that this vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your kidneys from harmful free radicals? That's right. Furthermore, citrus fruits contain a good amount of potassium, which helps regulate the balance of fluids in your body, another crucial function of your kidneys. And let's not forget about citrate, a key component in citrus fruits, which can help prevent kidney stones. So, the next time you reach for a snack, consider a refreshing, juicy citrus fruit. Not only will it quench your thirst, but it'll also give your kidneys a much-needed cleanse. So, for a kidney cleanse, say yes to citrus. Adding some flavor to our list at number 3, we have garlic. This pungent little powerhouse is much more than just a kitchen staple. It's packed with incredible health benefits, especially for our kidneys. Garlic is rich in antioxidants. These compounds help in fighting off harmful free radicals in our body, which can cause damage to our cells, including those in our kidneys. By including garlic in your diet, you're equipping your body with a defense mechanism against these harmful elements. But that's not all. Garlic is also known for its blood pressure lowering properties. High blood pressure can strain our kidneys, impairing their function over time. Consuming garlic can help manage blood pressure levels, taking some of the pressure off our kidneys and allowing them to perform their detoxifying duties more efficiently. So next time you're cooking, don't be shy to toss in some garlic. It's not just about adding flavor, but also about boosting your kidney health. Remember, a little garlic goes a long way in kidney health. At number 2, we have the vibrant and crunchy red bell peppers. These colorful veggies are not just a treat for the eyes, they're also packed full of health benefits, particularly for our kidneys. Red bell peppers are low in potassium, which is fantastic news for our kidneys. Too much potassium can be hard on this vital organ, so including foods in your diet that are naturally low in this mineral like red bell peppers is a wise choice for kidney health. But the benefits don't stop there. Red bell peppers are also high in vitamin C, an antioxidant that protects the body against damaging free radicals. This nutrient helps keep our kidneys functioning optimally by preventing damage to these vital organs. It's a win-win situation. You're not only enjoying a delicious and versatile vegetable, but you're also doing your kidneys a huge favor. So add some color to your plate with red bell peppers. And the top spot for kidney cleansing foods goes to, stay tuned to find out. Drumroll please, our champion of kidney health is none other than the humble cabbage. This leafy green is a powerhouse of beneficial compounds that aid in detoxifying your kidneys. It's packed with fiber, folic acid, and vitamin C, a trio that works together to flush out toxins and keep your kidneys functioning at their peak. And there you have it, 10 fantastic foods that can cleanse your kidneys and bolster your overall health. From refreshing water to the potent garlic, each of these foods brings something unique to the table. Incorporating them into your diet can help ensure your kidneys stay in tip-top shape. If you found this video helpful, do give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below about your favorite kidney cleansing food, and don't forget to share it with your friends. Keep your kidneys happy, and stay tuned for more health tips.